Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Uset Hale. On today's tutorial video, you are going to be learning how to cut and sew a double welt pocket with flap. This is the type of pocket you see on suit jacket, blazer jacket, and other dresses like the dress you are seeing on the screen right now. So a lot of people actually find it difficult to fit this pocket because it can be a bit difficult and challenging, but today's tutorial video is going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure on how to fix this pocket. If it sounds like something you're interested in, do want to keep on watching, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I already have all the materials I'm going to be using to illustrate how to fix the pocket. This piece here is going to be where I will fix the pocket to, and this other piece here is going to be for the pocket bag, and these other ones here are going to also be used for the fixing of the pocket. So this piece, I'm going to be sewing it to this area here, and these other ones, you can see I have two pieces of it. So I'm just going to go ahead now to show you guys how I cut them out. So this piece that's going to be for the pocket bag, I have it to be 14 inches long and it is 7.5 inches wide. So that's going to be for the pocket bag. Then this piece here, I'll be sewing to this area here. I also have it to be 7.5 inches wide and it is 4 inches long. So I'm going to be sewing the piece to this part of the pocket bag. Then these two pieces that I have here, I have them to be 7.5 inches wide, so you can see, and the length I have it to be 1.5 inch long. So 1.5 here, 7.5 inches here. So I have two of it. Don't worry, you understand what I'm going to be using it for later. So this last piece is on fold. I just opened it up. I have it to be 6.5 inches wide, and opening it up, I have it to be 7 inches long. So I'll just fold it together like this, so I have 3.5 inches. So these are all the pieces that you're going to be needing for the sewing of the word pocket. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead to iron hairstay to the pieces. So I'll just place those one aside. Then these pieces here, I'll place this one aside as well. Then this one that is on fold and these other two smaller pieces, I'm going to iron hairstay to them. So just open them up on the table like this. Make sure to determine the wrong and the right face. Then go ahead and iron your hairstay to it, just the way you see me doing. So after doing that, you trim out the excess just like this. So guys, this is what you're going to have after you're done ironing hairstay to the pieces. So this is it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to bring the piece where I'll be fixing the pocket. Now I'm going to mark out where the pocket is going to be. So this is just for illustration. So if you're making a dress, you definitely have to measure your body. So I just came down by 8.5 inches. Now I'm going to get the middle of my fabric. From here to here, I have 10 inches. So half of it is 5 inches. So just make a mark on it just like that. The next thing I'm going to do is to get the width of my pocket. So I want the pocket to be 5.5 inches wide. So I'm just going to get the middle of 5.5. Make sure that the half of 5.5 is sitting on the middle point that I have there. Then I'm going to mark it here and here as well. Then after you're done doing that, you're going to connect the dot with your straight ruler. So guys, after you're done doing that, now the next thing you're going to do, from this line, you will come down by ½ inch. You come here as well. You're going to come down from that line by ½ inch. Now you're also going to go ahead and connect the two dots together. So after you're done doing that, guys, you just connect it together just like this. Then you will do the same thing here. So after doing that, you're also going to really land at the middle just like the way you see me doing. This is it, guys. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll bring this piece of paper gum. I already cut it out. I'll be ironing it to the wrong side of my fabric. So this area you are seeing now is the right side. So I just follow the middle mark and I made a mark at the back, I mean the wrong side as well. Now I'm going to place my paper gum together just like this, and I will make a notch at the middle. Now I'm going to make sure that this notch is sitting directly at the middle mark that I made. Okay, So just align it very well, just the way you see me doing. Make sure to check it to make sure it is sitting at the middle of the line you drew at the right side. Then you're going to iron it out with your hot iron. So after doing that, this is it, guys. You can see. So the paper gum is at the middle of my mark that I made. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to bring these two smaller pieces. I'm just going to fold them together like this, and I will iron it out. So guys, after you're done ironing, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mark it out. So you can see what I have here is half inch. From that line I have half inch, so I'm going to be marking half of half inch on each of the pieces. So half of half inch is 0.25, so I just marked it there. Then I will also do the same thing here, mark 0.25. Then you're going to also mark 0.25 here. So mind you guys, I'm marking at the area that is on fold, okay? The folded area, okay? So that was where I marked. Now I'm just going to go ahead and rule the straight line. Connect the dots to create a straight line. Then you will do the same thing here as well. After you're done doing that, guys, this is it. So this is what you're gonna have. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to bring this piece here, the one that is on fold. You see, I already iron hair stay to it. I just folded it together. Now I'm going to sew it. So what I have as my pocket width is 5.5 inches, and this fabric is currently 6.5 inches. So I'm going to be marking half inch here. Then I'll also mark half inch here. Then I'll come here as well, mark half inch. Then here I'll mark half inch. Then I'm going to connect it with my straight ruler. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and sew it down. Then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to sew this last piece to the fabric I'm going to be using for the pocket bag. I'm just going to mark where it ends. Then I'll flip it on it like this. Make sure it goes up by about half inch from the mark, just like this. Then I'm going to sew it down. After sewing, I'm going to flip it and it's going to look like this. So this way the sewing will not show. So just put it and sew it down like that. Then you do the same thing here. This is what I had after I was done sewing, guys, as you can see. So this is the piece I have sewn it to it, and this other one I'm just going to flip it to the right side now, and I will iron it out. So guys, after you're done doing that, now the next thing I'm going to do is to measure 3 inches. So it's supposed to be 3 inches long. I'll just cut out of it a little bit, like about half inch. So this is it, guys. Now it's time to sew, but before I do that, I'm going to mark out the middle of my fabric. So this mark that I made here, I'm just going to get the middle of it. So I'm just going to mark it to be very visible because we are going to be making use of the middle a lot. So after marking it on the fabric, I'll also fold this piece together. Then I will make a notch at the middle. Then you do the same thing to the other one, fold it together and make a notch at the middle. Now I'm going to take you to the sewing machine where I will show you a step-by-step procedure on how to sew it. Now I'm on my sewing machine, guys. So this is the fabric, you can see. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll bring one of these pieces. I'm going to be sewing along this straight line that I made on it. So just make sure that the line align with the line in the fabric, okay? Then also make sure that the middle notch align with the middle mark of the fabric. So now you're going to mark where the sewing is going to end, following the mark that you have from the fabric. Then go ahead and back stitch. Then you're going to sew a straight line. Make sure that you're following the line, okay? So sew a straight line like this. And when you are getting close to the mark from the fabric, you're also going to mark it on this piece so that you will end exactly where the mark on your fabric ends, okay? Then go ahead and back stitch just like that. After you're done doing that, you're going to cut out the thread. So guys, this is it. So you're going to flip it like this now. Then you bring the second piece, make sure that the middle notch aligns with the middle mark. Then you're going to mark where it is supposed to start from using the mark from the fabric. Then you're going to go ahead and place it on it. Then you will back stitch just like this. Then you're going to keep sewing. Make sure that you are sewing the line on the piece. Make sure that the line is aligning with the line on the fabric. Now you're going to also mark where it is supposed to end. Then you're going to sew it and back stitch as well. So guys, after you're done sewing, this is what you're going to have it looking like. So from the back, you're just going to go ahead and cut it. So you're just going to cut the middle just like this. Then from that middle, you will cut a straight line. When you are getting close to the end, you are going to cut it to the side to meet where your sewing stops. Then you will do the same thing to the other side here. So just cut it to meet where your sewing stops. Don't cut it to be longer than where your sewing stops. If not, your work is not going to come out nice. So just repeat the same thing here. Can you see what I'm doing? So cut it just like that. Then after you're done doing that, now you're going to flip this to the wrong side. So just put it inside to go to the wrong side, just like this. Can you see? So this is what you're going to have it looking like. You can see it's already coming out. Now I'm going to take this to the table where I'm going to iron it out very well. So just go ahead and use your hot iron to iron this out very well. This is what I had after I was done ironing, guys. Can you see how clean this is looking? So if you follow exactly how I did it, you're going to have yours looking like this as well. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to bring this piece. I'm going to be sewing it to the upper side here. So first of all, I'll fold it together like this. Then I'll make a notch at the middle. Now I'm going to place the notch with the notch here. So make sure to align it very well. Then you're going to go ahead and sew it together. So guys, after sewing, cut out the threads and this is what you're going to have. Now you're going to bring it out just like this. Can you see? So bring it out like this and you're going to have it looking so perfect. Can you see, guys? I'm already loving the way this is coming out. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to bring this piece I'll be using for the pocket bag. So this area that has the fabric, I'll be sewing it to the top here. So first of all, fold it into two and make a notch. Then you're going to place the notch together. Make sure everything is well aligned. Then you're going to go ahead and sew it down. After you're done sewing, you're going to cut the threads. So this is it, guys. Now the next thing you're going to do is to bring this other end here. You're going to be sewing it to this other side. Okay, you're going to be sewing this other end of the fabric to this other side. So first of all, fold it together like this and make a notch at the middle. Now you're going to place the middle of that with the middle of this side. Place the middle together. Then you're going to go ahead and also sew it down as well. So guys, after you're done sewing, cut out the thread and you're going to have it looking like this. So can you see where I sewed it? You can see. So this is where I just sewed. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to close up the pocket bag. To do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I will sew this small piece that is here, this small piece that we cut out just like this. So just go ahead and sew it like this. Make sure that you are not sewing the fabric. Make sure that you are sewing only the small piece. If you sew the fabric, it's not going to be flat anymore. So after sewing that piece, you're going to go ahead and join this side here together just like this. Then after you're done joining, you're going to cut out of the seam allowance a little bit just like that. Then you're going to repeat the same thing to this side. So first of all, sew the small piece that is here. So be very careful not to sew the fabric. If not, it will not be flat anymore. So after sewing the small piece, you're also going to go ahead and sew it down just like this. So guys, this is it. This is what you're going to have after sewing. You're also going to cut out of the seam allowance. It's too much. So guys, this is what you're going to have it looking like after you are done sewing. So this is it guys. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take this to my weaving machine. I'm just going to weave it just like this. After weaving that side, I'm also going to weave this inner side here. So guys, this is what I had after I was done weaving. So basically the pocket is all done and it is ready. Can you see? So this is the pocket guys, looking so perfect, clean and beautiful. So this is the back. I've already weaved it as I demonstrated. You can see a situation whereby you don't have a weaving machine to weave it, you can go ahead and use your cotton bias to pipe it. So just sew it on it like this. After you're done sewing, you're going to flip it on it, then you're going to top stitch it. So that will be it. So this is it guys. This is how to go about the sewing of a double welt pocket with flap. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.